start recording, and I'm gonna go over my bias. Um, Again, this is my bias. You guys don't have to listen to me. It's totally up to you. So at the end of the day, um, yeah, I'm just gonna say what I think for the YouTube video. Just again for myself when I go back and watch it, and for the people watching. Um, Higher time frame bias. You can see we're coming into a daily fair value gap over here on Nasdaq, right? Coming in this daily bearish fair value gap. It looks like we're respecting it right now. Daily time frame are bearish. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, right, we could see that we came into this 4-hour bearish fair value gap over here on Nasdaq, right? Sweeping out these 4-hour highs on ES over here, forming a 4-hour S&T off of these highs, right? 2 a.m. So we formed a 4-hour S&T while coming into this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Getting a reaction out of that, it looks more bearish to me, in my opinion. Scaling down to the 1-hour time frame, we could see that we ended up in pre-market, right, coming up into this hourly bearish fair value gap and hourly equilibrium, and we got a bearish reaction out of hourly equilibrium. So I kind of want to just be bearish for today and see if we can get something. It is Monday without news, so who knows if we'll trade or not. If we also go to the daily time frame, we can also see that we're at daily equilibrium from the most recent high to the most recent low. As we can see here, we're getting a bearish reaction out of it. So again, I'm leaning more towards bearish at the moment. I'm going to get rid of all of these confluences here because I know that we came into hourly equilibrium. We got a bearish reaction at hourly equilibrium, and I want to see if we could target the previous day low down below, which is kind of a stretch, but we'll see on market open what we want to do. But regardless of that, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I want to see what happens off of market rip. We'll see if we'll dump all the way down, or if we get some kind of manipulation up and get an entry. But that's overall my mindset for today. Thank you. Yeah, I'm getting taught by his coach right now, so that's why he's teaching me that way. But I appreciate it. Travis, you're pretty big. Maybe you could take Jake Paul. No homo. I mean, yeah, he's probably 20 pounds heavier than me. He's like 200 pounds, right? He's probably like 20, 15 pounds heavier than me. I would want to actually try and fight, though. So we'll see. Be pretty cool, though. You never know what can happen. You never know. Please don't dump off market open. And you're going to... Is this how we're going to be Monday? Is this how we're going to be? Guys, again, you shouldn't be in here to copy my trades. This month coming in and the rest of my trading, I'm going to be more aggressive. And I'm going to trust who I am as a trader. And I need to let go of the fact of being wrong in front of people. Again, I'm not using that as an excuse. But again, I'm going to be alternating my accounts. So I'm going to be more aggressive. And I'm going to be keeping the Discord private for a little bit. I want to focus more on trading right now, not so much social media shit. I'm going to focus on the YouTube most, but I still got to finish that trader's roadmap also. X out this hourly fair value gap so it's not in the way. We know we're reacting out of an hourly fair value gap. My computer keyboard might die. For the people watching on YouTube and in the Discord and stuff like that, I have the chat closed in the Discord, but I'm just gonna be a little bit more quiet for a little bit, and then I'll let it know when I take a trade. YouTube, we hit 3,000 subs last night. I got an award. I'm almost at 3,100 now. Social media is so weird, dude. Sometimes it does good, sometimes it does bad. Sometimes it does good, sometimes it does bad. I'm going to keep doing the live recaps or the live trading sessions. We'll do trade recaps once in a while. And then we'll keep doing the educational content on YouTube. No live streams right now except with the Discord. If you're watching this on YouTube. I'm going to be a little boring for a couple weeks to months. I want to focus on building my accounts. All that other shit comes after. What are you guys saying in the chart? "30 seconds of this candle closure. Let's see if we form a 5-minute SMT off of this. If we don't, we're probably going to push this out really high on NASDAQ. I'm waiting to be bullish until this hourly fair value gap gets inverted, which is at 10 a.m. So that'll be a big tell for me. Alright, hourly high got swept. Let's see how we react off of this. See if we keep pushing. See if we get pushing off of this. Yummy guy. Came into that 5-minute on ES. Any 1-minute lows? Oh yeah, we do. Oh, we might have to form a 1-minute SMT. Alright, 1-minute SMT form. Never broke strokes to the downside also. That could be entry right here. What's risk to reward? 72-point stop. target all of that. Really wanted to be bearish though, dude. I really want to respect my higher time frame bias. I really want to respect my high time frame bias. From that 1 minute bearish fair value gap. So we have something to work with. If we inverse it, we're probably going to continue higher. If we don't, I mean, I want to respect my higher time frame bias. Not just force a trade. Care about that 1 minute S&T anymore. It's invalidated. $14. 60-point stop. I know I'm being quiet, but again, I'm trying to focus. Straight up chop. Straight up chop. Chop work. Straight up chop. I want that to be my entry. $60-point risk right now. Are you gonna manipulate and continue lower? What are you gonna do? If you're gonna go, you're gonna go. 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 Yeah, you look like you're gonna go. I'm gonna give you a little shot. If you go below this, I'm out. If you're gonna go, you're gonna go. $215, $228, $263. You're gonna go 158. edging my first TP, motherfucker. You edging me. If you're gonna go, you're gonna go, but this might be the manipulation. This might be the manipulation leg. But I think we come for those London session highs. I think. This is on the accounts I don't care about, so I'm just gonna let it play. I'm just gonna let it play. This next 5-minute candle is gonna discuss it. If we're gonna pump here, we're gonna pump. I don't like this hesitation. I don't like this hesitation. Matt, what are you doing? 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 Do you want it or no? Do you want it or no? Do you want it or no? Wow. You don't want it. You're gonna edge me like that? Damn. I know. I'm still holding. It's the edge maxer right here. Equilibrium is all the way down there, which stinks. I'm not liking this candle. Usually we push down. We'll see. Just ass price action. Come on, dog. What we doing? Wow. I didn't get filled on that one. No way. We're gonna push right through. We better push right through that. Alright, first TP hit. We still have 3 runners. Second TP's at 23. Alright, second TP hit. Leaving last 2 runners. Alright, I'm going to take 1 more there. I'm going to leave my last runner and put it to break even. Last runner's going to be at 259. $2.59 on the dot. I'm watching ES take out London session, Asian session highs, because Asian session highs are closer on ES. But we took out London and we took out this hourly. Next draw we have an hourly and Asian session. I'd like to take Asian session out, but I'm going to pay attention to ES. Once ES takes out London, I'll take mine. But I would like to see NASDAQ take out or take profit before. I got $60 floating right now. $60 floating. Alright, I'm getting ready. I'm watching ES. I'm gonna put this here, guys. I'm gonna put it at 40. I don't like how we're reacting off of this level here. Still a 67-point trade if it hits. I just want to take it here because ES is approaching London session. Once ES takes London, it's gonna. If it takes Asian, it's a couple more points. We've got how many more points till Asian session? 35 more points on NASDAQ. So I'm gonna go for this here. right. I'm good there, guys. I'm out. $64 trade. How much is the risk to reward? Around a 1 to 2. I had it below this candle's body. All right. Excuse me. All right, made $258 per account. We're probably gonna keep pushing, but it's all good. ES took London. I'm fine with taking that. I'm fine with taking my profit there. Still 64-point trade. See if full TP hits. Yeah, ES just took out. He's about to take out Asian. Still a 1 to 2 basically. I'm fine with that. I risked 32 points, so I risked 32 times 2 times 4. Is that right? How many did I go in? 1, 2, 4. And ES took Asian. Yeah, 213 was my first partial right here. Second partial is 223. Third partial is 234. And then final take profit was 238. Not bad. Not bad. Everybody win today? Appreciate it, Yas. Sorry, guys, I had to chat off. Yeah, I was comfortable taking profits there because, again, we might form an S&T off of this London session because, again, my bias is still bearish overall higher time frame, guys. We have a 4-hour SMT in play. We're in a daily fair value gap right here. I'd want to see this get inversed for me to be bullish for the week. And we're reacting off a 4-hour fair value gap. Again, we might form an S&T off Asian session highs. ES already took him anyway, so I would have taken my profit regardless after ES. Let's be real. Let's be real. I'm not going to lie here. I would have taken my profit once ES took out. I'm not going to say I would have left the runner all the way to here. But I was fine with 65 points compared to 10 more points, basically. Yeah. I think I managed it well. I went in a good size. I was risking around 170 to make 258 with my partials, so I thought I was risking a little bit less, but I guess not. Better than now, yes, sir. That is right. Sorry if I'm a little bit more quiet, guys. I'm going to be trying to focus more. I honestly like that we don't have a lot of people in here right now. But you guys know how to trade. Yas, Mr. T Long, Zeta, you're my wife, and Z. You guys understand the real reality of trading, and I'm still live on YouTube, but I'm going to cut the live streams on Kick and trade more aggressively how I'm supposed to trade. As we could see, that happened today. I would have faded that with my 20 accounts. I would have faded it, I'll be honest. But I'm going to be more quiet. I'm going to be more focused, and I'm going to focus on building my accounts, doing the right things, getting these past the buffer, and overall growing as a trader. All the social media stuff will come after, right? I think I was too focused on social media for a little bit, and once I started getting closer to my goal, because my 20 accounts were pretty close, dude. The highest 10 accounts were at like $51,750 at one point. We were like $600-700 or whatever it is, $800 away from just a loan. That'd be a $20,000 payout. And that's the most I'd ever do. But again, shit happens. I just traded my lowest accounts today because again, I didn't really care much about them. But now one of them's at 50,365, so it's back in profit after today. And it had $1,300 of drawdown room. Now it's got $1,600 of drawdown room. So again, last week didn't even look so bad except this crash out day, right? I shouldn't have traded the sizing I was trading. And I lost big on these days. But then I ended up taking a trade on gold and getting it back on 5 of the accounts, basically. You could say I traded all 20, blah, 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 this and that. But yesterday, just big red day. Winning week. Would have been even bigger winning. It would have been probably an even week if I just traded all 20 of my accounts. But I just don't think that's the way for me to trade right now. I started a new 100K account with FTMO. I'm going to be trading groups of 5 and alternating because I also have 10 on standby. But again, that's why I'm going to trade a little bit more aggressively on these other accounts because if I do blow them, I can activate them. I have 10 more to activate regardless. But right now I do have to pay the monthly on those, which does suck. But again, that's why I'm going to go more aggressive and we'll see what happens. But regardless, yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to be a little bit more patient. I'm going to go in grind mode, guys. I'm going in grind mode. I'm just going to be focused on getting better as a trader, studying more, boxing, and that's it. Look at that take profit, guys. Look at that. That's what not being greedy looks like. And that's why I use ES as a map also. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'm going to be here for the Discord regardless. For the people who want to be here, like you guys, I'm going to be here for you, right? The social media stuff, the being an influencer, all that shit, it gets in your head after a little bit, but the main focus is trading, right? All that shit comes after because everybody's so attracted to the fucking money, the Lamborghinis, the watches, all that stuff. But again, they're not there to stick through the process with you, and I'm just here to show the real reality of that process. And again, we have 30 accounts right now, and that's an achievement, but what can I do with those 30 accounts? And this is the hard part. This is the last hump to get over. And I'm going to try and do that for you guys, in front of you guys, and I'll post it on YouTube, and I'll go live in the Discord. I'm not going to go live on Kick anymore, but I'll post this on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. So today was a dub. Again, we could have coulda, shoulda, woulda. It could have been if we traded all 20 accounts, $254 times 20. It could have been a $5,000 day, but that's not how I'm going to think. Because again, guys, let's just focus on getting 5 past the buffer, getting 2 past the buffer, getting 3 accounts past the buffer. Let's get a payout on three accounts. Doesn't have to be all 20 at once, and then that 20 will build up slowly, and we'll get to that point. I'm just not ready for it yet, and I'm just going to be honest with that. Because it fucking that 12K loss, dude, on this day, 12K. That hurts. That hurts the soul. It just mentally hurts the soul, even though I know it's on multiple accounts. But again, it's better than just having 5. If I do something stupid, I can alternate to the other 5. If I do something stupid and blow 5 accounts, I can alternate another 5. If I do that again, I can alternate another 5. It's like we got backup. We got some ammunition right now, and I'm going to try and trade the right way and do the right things. All right, guys. Does that sound good? Coolio. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. That's going to be it for me today. I'll post it in the wins and losses chat. Again, guys, watch. Like, I know it sounds stupid and it acts like I'm trying to get you guys to watch my social media, but there is nobody out there, I feel like, that I've seen, except like TJR, who posts. Again, he even cuts it. I post the whole live trading session. Fucking watch that instead of back testing because the bars are just like, just mute the video and go back and watch the whole thing. That's how I was studying the other night. So, all right, guys. YouTube, peace out. We got a dub on a Monday. Adios, Yas. Adios, Z. Adios, Mr. T Long. Zeta, see you in a second. Fuck. There you go. See? I'm still dying from the flu. Goodbye. Oh, fuck.
Set up, right? No news, so I didn't even have to pay. But of course, we get our clean sweep down or the break of our trend. We get the pull back to the inversion, and then obviously the pump. Let's say you missed that one. And we got the push up. This is the 10 a.m. candle open. We open high, getting this.
Hey guys, I'm back in another.
Every Monday that I
They can't do it, how I do it. I'm number one, I knew it. I thought to my thing, again, got to it. It's hit after hit. Damn, I'm on the road. I'm the jam crowd now. Man, I got soul. Now I'm in the pivot. Hell yeah, I got hoes. I was born with this when I pre-funded the killing. It didn't book. You farted and you walk out of here, really? She farted and walked out.
Did you fart?
Look at that.
Oof.
Look at that. Ice came all the way down into our break even.
Stinky. Get out of there.
Mike, this won't charge. I think I broke it.
Boy.
I don't remember slamming it though.
You did.
I did.